जोफ्री चौसर 1340 से 1400 इसका टाइम है। ही वॉज बॉर्न बिटवीन 1340-1345 प्रोबेबली इन लंदन। कहाँ जन्म हुआ? लंदन में। हिज फादर वाज ए प्रोस्पेरियस वाइन मर्चेंट। इसका फादर जो था वो प्रोस्पेरियस वाइन मर्चेंट था। इन 1357 ही वाज पेज इन द हाउस होल्ड ऑफ एलिजाबेथ डी ब्रोग, काउंटेस ऑफ येलेस्टर, wife Princess Leonor. He was captured by the French during the Britannic expedition of 1359, but was ransomed by the king. Edward III later sent him to France on diplomatic mission. He also traveled to Ghana and Florence around 1366. Chaucer married Philippa Root, a lady in waiting in the queen's household. Philippa's sister Catherine. Philippa's sister Catherine Sandiford later becomes the third wife of John Count. John Count, king's fourth son and Chaucer's patron. In 1374, Chaucer was appointed comptroller comptroller of the lucrative London customs. In 1386, he was elected Member of Parliament from Kent and also served as a Justice of Peace. In 1379, he was made a clerk of the King's Works, overseeing loyal building projects. He held a number of royal posts, serving both Edward III and his Richard successor Richard II. Chaucer lived during Edward III 1327-1377, Richard II 1377-1399, Henry IV 1399-1413. He was the first poet to be buried Westminster Abbey, known as the Poets' Corner. Enrolled called him father of English poetry. Enrolled इसको बोला father of English poetry. In the legends of good omen, the 9 legends are Cleopatra, Theseus, Dido, Hephaestus, Medea, Lucius, Arindina, Philomela, Phyllis, and Hypermnestra. Dryden rewrote contemporary tales in modern English. rewrote Dryden rewrote contemporary tales in modern English. Dryden इसको पुनः contemporary tales लिखा in modern English में. He was the first national poet of England. Dryden said about him, "Here is Good's Bentley." Dryden said about him, "Here is Good's Bentley and a raw diamond, and must first be polished or she shine. He shine. He shine." Bokisco exercised a deep influence on Chaucer. Of diplomatic mission, he was sent to Italy, where he met Petrarch and Bosco. He makes a clear reference of Petrarch in his Clerk Tale. He is called father of English poetry. He is called father of English poetry and grandfather of English novel. He is called morning star of songs and morning star of Renaissance. Android says about him, Chaucer lacks not only the ancient of Dante, but also the high seriousness. He is the first one to use Ottawa rhyma. He is the first one to use Ottawa rhyma in the book of Duchess में. The book of Duchess में first यूज किया Ottawa rhyma. Ottawa rhyma is the 8 syllable line in couplet rhyming. He first used heroic couplet in The Legends of Good Omen. और ये पहला हीरोइक कपलेट यूज किया लीजेंड ऑफ द गुड ओमेन में, और टाइबर रिमा यूज किया द बुक ऑफ डचेस में, और हीरोइक कपलेट यूज किया द लीजेंड ऑफ गुड्स ओमेन में. हीरोइक कपलेट इज 10 syllable. ये ओटेवर रिमा था 8 syllable लाइन कपलेट राइमिंग, और ये है हीरोइक कपलेट 10 syllable लाइन राइमिंग इन कपलेट, दैट इज डेक्लोइबक couplet. That is decloic couplet. He first used rhyme royal in Trellis and Cressidia. Rhyme royal is 10 syllable line arranged in 7 in a stanza A B A B B C C. Chaucer's Terrorism and Cressida is called novel in verses. In the House of Fame, Chaucer's resembles close to Dante's Divine Comedy. In the House of Fame, Chaucer's resembled close Dante's Divine Comedy. W. J. Long called prologue to the contemporary tales as the prologue to modern fiction because of its realism. The general prologue of the contemporary tales contained 858 लाइन्स. उसके बाद आ गया आपका The general plan of contemporary tales is taken from Bosco's Decrons in the contemporary The Pilgrimage. Would be seen going to Thomas Becket in the month of April. In the month of April, he gave pen picture of 21 pilgrimage in his work. Hard ye Chaucer written in prose, it is possible this Torlism and Cressidia. Torlism and Cressidia. And Richardson's Pamela would be celebrated as first English novels by S. D. Neil. Edmund Spenser in his Fairy Queen called Chaucer's well of English underfilled. Neville Cowell interpreted contemporary tales in 20th century English. Albert called Chaucer's the earliest of the great moderns and the morning star of Renaissance. Dryden called Chaucer the father of English poetry. ये पहले भी हम लोग देख चुके हैं. Chaucer found his native tongue ये dialect and left it ये language by Lewis. Chaucer is the earliest of the great moderns by Matthew Arnold. Chaucer is the earliest of the great moderns by Matthew Arnold. If Chaucer is the father of English poetry, he is the grandfather of English novel by G.K. Keniston. Here is good spelling by Dryden. O'Keefe wrote a famous poem, The Regiment of Princes, on the death of Chaucer. Chaucer and Leland died in the same year 1400. Chaucer has been criticized by presenting about courts and cultivated classes and neglect the suffering of the poor. A thought in the contemporary tales 120 stories were planned but only 24 were completed. A thought in contemporary tale 120 स्टोरी वेयर प्लान था 120 स्टोरी का, लेकिन कंप्लीट किया 24. चौसर्स इंट्रोडक्स फेलिसिटी इन इंग्लिश. लॉन्गेस्ट टेले ऑफ कंटेम्पररी टेल्स इज द नाइट्स टेले. Chaucer has been called the prince of Peleristids. Chaucer was not in any sense a poet of the people by Hudson. The works of his life can be divided into three period है। पहला है फ्रेंच पीरियड 1359 से 1372। ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम चौसर ट्रांसलेटेड द रोमल डी रोज। इस टाइम चौसर ट्रांसलेट किया रोमन डी रोज को। ये फ्रेंच पोयम रिटन ड्यूरिंग द 1200। He also wrote the books of Duchess. He also wrote the Book of Duchess, an elegiac poem. Book of Duchess है elegiac poem that shared much with contemporary French poetry of the time, but also departed from that poetry in important way. Chaucer's extensive reading of Latin poets, such as Boethius, also influenced his own work. He was influenced by French masters as Guillaume de Maupert, John de Meun, and Guillaume de Loris.